Right, hello guys, and welcome to this presentation on how the Forex market works. My name is Fred. I'm a Forex trader coming out of the UK. Some of you may know me from the Telegram group, Forex Swing Trading Pro, where we give free Forex trading signals and have a group chat there. So let's get straight into it, guys, how the Forex market works. So, my concepts, when I explain this to you, I'm going to explain it to you in a concept that is so simple that I want even a child to be able to understand it. Now, just because the concept is simple, don't underestimate how powerful this concept is. Now, once you fully get this concept and take it on board, this will immensely improve your trading results. So, when it comes to looking at the market, I want you to look at it like this. There's basically two teams that are playing the market. First team is the Bulls, the second team is the Bears. Okay, so we've got the Bulls and we've got the Bears. So, we're moving on from there. How do we play the game and win? So, the first thing we need to do is to identify which team has the ball. That's the first step of the process. Now, once we've done that, we need to wait for the current team to lose the ball, or you could look at it as a baton, whichever you choose, to lose the ball or the baton and pass it onto the opposing team. Okay, now after the presentation, we're going to go to the charts. When we go to the charts, I'm going to show you exactly how this plays out. Yeah, so you feel free to take notes and watch this video as many times as you need until you get this concept. Now, when the opposing team gets the ball, it doesn't mean that it's time to trade. We need to wait to see what they do once they get the ball. Are they showing strength? Are they weak? What exactly happens now that the opposing team has got the ball? Now, if the opposing team, so if the Bears had the ball and the ball passes on to the Bulls and the Bulls start growing in strength, that's the time at which we want to take our trade, and we're always trading with the team that has the ball going in the direction that they're showing, especially if the strength is growing with that side. Right, so that brings us to the end of the presentation. Now let's go to the charts and see. I've laid out a few charts here. We'll go through a couple of them, I think, too, not to make this video too long. So here we have the US dollar JPY H4 chart on MetaTrader 4. So if we come to the left of the screen here, see where my arrow's moving? Here, okay. So if we start here, the green team had the ball. Well, sorry, start here. The white team had the ball, the green team took the ball. When the green team took the ball here, they showed a lot of strength. So I would have traded then. And I would have, okay, white team had the ball, green team took the ball, showed strength. Opened my trade. White team got the ball. What did they do with it? I need to pay attention, but that doesn't mean I need to close my trade. I need to see what they did. They didn't do anything. They gave the ball straight back to the green team, and the green team continued their run. Now, as an advanced trader, what I see going on here would have made me very cautious, and I probably would have closed my trade because even though the green team has the ball, the strength of the green team is diminishing, which tells me as a trader probably they're running out of steam and the baton is about to change over. But just because I think it's about to change over doesn't mean I can trade yet. I need to wait for confirmation of what my thoughts are. So here, the white team got the ball. Again, what did they do when they got the ball? Well, not much really. It went into what is known as a consolidation period, which is just the market moving sideways. So we wait. Yeah, we're waiting for it to break up or break down. Now, we don't know which way it's going to go. Most people probably would have thought it would have continued from here because the green team was strong there and then it was brought back here. But that's not what happens, you see. And that's why you can't go with what you think is going to happen. You have to go with what you see happening. So here, the green team had the ball, the white team took the ball. Took it, grew in strength. If I was looking at the chart and I see them grow in strength here, this second candle here, okay, because we're starting to push down, I would have come in here personally. I would have come in here and I would have started to sell. I would have joined the selling team and started to go down with this team. Now, we're going to get to how to place a trade and how to place your stops and in later videos. But for you advanced traders, a little gem I'm going to give you straight from the beginning. If the white team got the ball, and we now and they get growing in strength. If you come in here, you put your stop loss right here. Don't be willing to lose too much money, because if we're saying the white team got the ball and is getting stronger, why are we going back here? That means our reason for getting into the trade is void. So get out quickly. But that's not what happened here. What happened here is the white team got the ball and they show strength all the way. White team has the ball. Everything's going okay. Until we get to here. Now what happened here? The green team got the ball. Okay, now I need to pay attention and see what happens next. But nothing happened. The white team took the ball back and pushed it down. Here, it's almost like the white team were in control, and they let the green team get the ball, almost to let them up for air. Let them have a little bit of air. Let them breathe for a little bit. And as soon as they've had enough breath so that they're still alive, they push them straight back, down to come to here. Now, here, the green team got the ball. And when they got the ball, they really came out with some strength. But this here shows why we need to wait for the candle to close. Because at one point, that was a full green candle. Okay. And as it closed, they pushed it down to here. Now, at this point, personally, I probably would have got out. Because when the green team got the ball, they showed a lot of strength here. And they showed so much strength, even though they weren't able to hold it, that they came back above this point here at where they previously got the ball. So that will be an indication to me that trouble lays ahead. So once it fell and receded back down to here, I definitely would have closed it, because when we come to candlestick patterns in our later videos, this is actually a signal to go straight back up. However, I probably wouldn't have taken this trade, because what happened, the strength going down was so strong that I probably wouldn't want to bet against that strength for any time soon. Do you see? So we'd want to stay with the trend that was prevailing at that point in time, which was a downtrend. Yeah. And then when the white team got the ball here, you could have joined in again here. They pushed it down here. Now they probably would have shaken out a lot of traders, because at this point, at one point in time, it was a full white bar, and then the green team were able to push it all, and that would have probably shaken out a lot of people. But if you held your nerve, the candle still closed white, which means the white team still has the ball. Next candle, green team got the ball. What did they do with it? Well, nothing. Because the white team took it straight back with force and pushed it. So you're back in your trade. Your trade's gone back, making money deeply. Here again, the same thing happened. Here again, you're down to here. White team gets the ball. Green team gets the ball. Can't do anything with it. White team takes it back. Green team gets the ball. Can't do anything with it. Hold on. However, this is the first sign. The green team got the ball. They pushed it up to here. It wasn't able to do much. But at the time, they were still able to keep this candle green. That's a very important signal here. And it is actually also a candlestick signal, which is interesting, which we will come to later. However, wait to the next barter thing. It's gone green. I probably would have entered here. Next one was white. Okay, my trade might be going against me, but don't panic. Wait, if the white team got the ball, wait to see what they did with it. Next session, nothing. I'm back in my trade. Boom, we were making money. I would have carried on going up to here. Another candlestick signal, probably would have closed my trade. Okay, if I didn't close my trade there, I definitely would have closed it here, another candlestick pattern. But we'll get to those in later videos. Okay, so this is a crucial point. When you see the ball keep changing hands, so green team, white team, green team, white team, if you see that happen 4 to 5 times, you know you're entered what is called a period of consolidation, and stop trading until you get a breakout one way or another from the range. Okay, so many people would have probably taken this trade. If you took this trade when you saw the white team and you saw the pushing down of this one, you got in your trade, it would have been in profit depending on where you entered on this candle, yeah, but it would have retraced back. Now if you're in the trade, if you open a trade up and it rapidly goes into profit, that's great, but that's not necessarily what we want. Do you see? We want steady growth, not rapid instantly right now, because then it probably might not hold. But it dropped down rapidly. Okay, you made a lot of money very rapidly. But if your candle was down here, a great big white candle, you are clapping your hands and you are in a great trade. However, if you're made so much money so fast and then you see the candle recede. Hold on, this is almost about a 50% retracement on the candle. If you're in a trade and you see the candle drop down like that and then you see it retrace 50% of that particular candle, close your trade. Never let a candle retrace, give you such a powerful candle and then retrace 50%, because if it's so powerful, it would have stayed down there. But the mere fact that you've got a 50% retracement on that candle means that there's problems. Close your trade, wait to see what happens. What happens next? Green team got the ball. For our advanced traders, this green team getting the ball was merely a continuation of them pushing it up from here. So they pushed it up from there and then they took officially, do you see? If I was trading, I would have seen this long wick and came in. But for the basic traders, let's stick to the rules of the game. The rules of the game are who is in control of the market. Who is controlling the market? Okay, white team is in control here, do nothing. Here, the green team took control, still do nothing. But note, the ball has changed hands. What happened on the next candle here? On the next candle here, green team showed increasing strength. Take your trade, stop loss under your previous, but your reason for entering. This is your reason for entering this candle here. The green team getting the ball. Stop loss. Only be willing to lose a minimal amount. After you come in here, you came in here, their ball was passed here, you came in here, then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 candles before you saw any trouble. Now, if you're a basic trader and you risked one candle and then you made 14 candles, that is a very, very profitable trade, an extremely profitable trade, and I'll probably walk. If you're advanced, you can stay in a little bit longer but then again, the same principle works, yeah? The white team got the ball. What did they do with it? If you're holding your trade, yeah? Nothing. Green team took it back, started to push back, stay in your trade, yeah? All the way up here. If you know candlestick patterns, that's your reason to come out. If you don't, wait to see what happened. White team took the ball. They showed it a little bit more. Probably close your trade and wait. Yeah, green team took the ball, white team, okay, we'll just keep flipping backwards and forwards. We're going into consolidation. We need those clean breaks. When it goes, we're looking for something like this. Green team, green team, green team. That's what we want. 3 consecutive bars. 1, 2, 3, we're in business. 4, don't close your trade. And then it runs, yeah? Same with the here. 1, 2, 3, we're in our trade. 4, it's running. 5, it's running. They got the ball here, over this area there, did nothing with it. White team got the ball straight back down. Okay, guys. So that brings us to the end of this video. Okay, now if you've got any questions about this video and you're in our Telegram group, our, that is the place where our private Telegram group, that's the place where you can ask us questions. Yeah, so guys, please, I want you to do something for me. If you like this video, please subscribe to the new channel and also press the like button and share the video. If you want to join our Telegram group where we discuss trades, give out signals, and where traders just basically have a chat and say how their day's going and talk about potential trade ideas, then click the link in the description box. And that will take you straight through to our group. So once again, thank you very much for your time and for really taking time to invest in the improvement of your understanding of the trading market and how to be successful when trading. Thanks again, guys.